Show that the matrix A is equal to, it is a 3 into 3 matrix here, is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so here the given matrix is a 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. Okay, then take its transpose here. A dash is equal to, write these numbers here, 1 minus 1 5 in the column here. Okay, so 1 minus 1 5. Let's write a second in the second column here, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1 here. Then 5 1 3, right in the column, so 5 1 3 here. Just comparing these two matrices here, both are equal here. Therefore, here radius is equal to here. If this condition satisfied, then this matrix is said to be symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is a symmetric matrix. Okay, this is the answer. Show that the matrix, again it is a 3 into 3 matrix, is a skew symmetric matrix here. Therefore, here A is equal to, so 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. It is a given matrix here. Then write its a transpose. A dash is equal to 0 1 minus 1, right in the column here, 0 1 minus 1. Write this row in the column, minus 1 0 and 1 here. Write these elements in the column here, so 1 minus 1 0 here. Okay, then take here minus common factor this matrix here. Therefore this equal to minus of here positive term becomes a negative, negative term becomes a positive. Therefore, so write it 0. Minus 1 becomes a plus 1. Plus 1 becomes a minus 1 here. Here plus 1 becomes a minus of 1. Then it is a 0 and a minus 1 becomes plus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Plus 1 becomes a minus 1 and it is a 0. So here minus sign is there. So write here minus of. And this is a matrix here. Okay, here these two are same matrices here. Therefore, you can write here matrix A. Yes, A dash is equal to minus A. If this condition satisfied, then A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is a skew symmetric matrix. So here matrix here, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix here. Okay, therefore A is the given matrix here, so write here A plus A dash here. Consider this matrix as a P here. Let us consider P is equal to A plus A dash here. Then this is equal to A is a matrix here, 1 5 6 7 here. Then plus, then A dash here. A dash is the transpose of this matrix. So 1 5 right in the column here, 1 5. Then 6 7 right in the column, 6 7 here. Okay. So this is a matrix A and this is a matrix A dash here. Then add it here. So this is equal to, here 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. 5 plus 6 11. 6 plus 5 11 here. 7 plus 7 14 here. Okay. So therefore this is a matrix P here. Now write its transpose here. Therefore P dash is equal to, so P dash is a transpose here, then 2 11 write in the column here, so 2 11 11 14 write in the column, so write here 11 14 here. Okay, here this is a matrix P here. Then here it is the P dash, it transpose of this one, 11 2 11 write in the column, 11 14 write in the column. You just observe this here, both are same here, so you can write P dash is equal to P here. Therefore P dash is equal to P. If P dash is equal to P, this condition satisfied, then P is said to be what here? Symmetric matrix. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix here. Then what is a P? P is a plus A dash. Hence A plus A dash. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix here. Here first result is what? A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. So we verified it. Okay. In this case, consider this one as a Q. Let Q is equal to A minus A dash here. Therefore, this is equal to, here matrix A is a 1, 5, 6, 7 here. Minus of A dash is a transpose of this one. 1, 5 right in the column here. 1, 5, 6, 7 right in the column here. So 6, 7 here. Then subtracting each other. So here 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. It is a 0. 5 minus 6 is a minus of 1 here. 6 minus 5 is a plus 1. 7 minus 7 it is a 0. Okay. So here Q is equal to this one here. Okay. Then find its transpose here. Therefore Q dash is equal to 0 minus 1 right in the column. So 0 minus 1. 1 0 right in the column here. 1 0. Okay. So Q is this matrix here. Then Q dash is transpose of this one here. So 0 minus 1 right in the column. 1 0 right in the column. Take here minus common factor here. So write minus outside. Then here positive term becomes negative, negative term becomes positive. So write 0 as it is. Plus 1 becomes a minus 1 here. Minus 1 becomes a plus 1 and write here 0. Therefore this is equal to minus of here this is what here? This is a matrix Q. Okay. So both elements are same here. Here so this is a matrix Q. So write here Q. So here Q dash is equal to minus Q. Q dash is equal to minus Q. If this condition satisfied, then Q is said to be Q symmetric matrix here. Therefore Q is a Q symmetric matrix. So you have taken here Q as A minus A dash. Hence A minus A dash is a Q symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a Q symmetric matrix here. So this is our required result here. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric. Q is a skew symmetric here. Q is A minus A dash. Hence A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So find out 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash and 1 upon 2 into A minus A dash. Then A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix here. Okay. First you find here A plus A dash. Take care solution. A plus A dash is equal to, here the matrix A is a 0. A and B here. Minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 here. Matrix A here. Then A dash transfers of this one here. So 0 A B right in the column. So 0 A and B here. Then minus A 0 C minus A 0 C right in the column. Minus B minus C 0 minus B minus C 0. Okay, right in the column. Then add it here. Therefore this is equal to, here 0 plus 0 becomes a 0. A minus A becomes a 0. B minus B becomes a 0. Minus A plus A, it is a 0. 0 plus 0 is a 0. C minus C becomes a 0. Minus B plus B becomes a 0. Minus C plus C becomes a 0 here. And 0 plus 0 becomes a 0. All elements are 0. Then 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash here. Therefore 1 upon 2 into bracket A plus A dash is equal to 1 upon 2 into 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is the null matrix here. Hence this is equal to, you just take 1 upon 2 inside this matrix here. Means element, multiply each element by 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 into 0 is again 0 here. Therefore it gives the null matrix here. 0 0 0 0 0 0 here. 0 0 0. Okay, here it is 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. In the second case 1 upon 2 into A minus A dash is there. Okay, so first find A minus A dash. A minus A dash is equal to, okay, here matrix is 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 minus of A dash is its transpose here. 0 A B right in the column. 0 A and B minus A 0 C right in the column. Minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 right in the column. Minus B minus C and 0. Then this is equal to, okay, here 0 minus 0 becomes a 0 here. Then A minus of minus becomes a plus. A plus A becomes a 2A. B minus of minus becomes plus here. B plus B becomes a 2B here. Minus A minus of 2A. 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. Then C minus of minus becomes a plus here. So C plus C becomes a 2C here. Minus B minus of 2B. Minus 2B. Minus C minus 2C here. 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. Okay. Then 1 upon 2 into A minus A dash is there. So 1 upon 2 into bracket A minus A dash is equal to 1 upon 2 into, so means write this one as it is here. 0 2A and 2B here. Minus 2A 0 and 2C minus 2B minus 2C and 0. Then this is equal to, here multiply each element by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0 becomes a 0. So write it 0. 2A into 1 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancels here. Remaining only A here. 2 and 2 cancels. Remaining is B here. Like that here. Minus of A. 0 C here. Minus B. Minus C and 0. So it gives 1 upon 2 into A minus A dash is equal to this matrix here. Okay. Okay, here it is a theorem here, very important theorem for the point of examination here. So for any square matrix with real numbers, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix here. Okay, but to prove this here, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Consider this one as a B. Let B is equal to A plus A dash. Now taking a transpose on both sides here, therefore this implies B dash is equal to A plus A dash, it's a dash here. Okay, taking a transpose on both sides here. Then this implies here B dash is equal to, here A plus A dash, O dash is A dash plus A dash of dash here, because you know from formula A plus B O dash is equal to A dash plus B dash here. You are using this result here. A dash plus A dash of dash here. And this implies B dash is equal to, here A dash plus here A dash of dash is here. Again a property here. You know A dash of dash is equal to A. Property of transpose of the matrix here. So A dash of dash is A. Therefore this implies here B dash is equal to A dash plus A can be written as A plus A dash here, because here matrix addition is commutative. Okay, matrix addition is commutative. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Hence A dash plus A can be written as A plus A dash. Okay, you just observe here, both are equal. A plus A dash. Hence you can write B dash is equal to B here. Okay, so take result number 1 here and take here result number 2 from 1 and 2 here. From 1 and 2 you can write here B dash is equal to B. If B dash is equal to B, then obviously it is a symmetric matrix here. Therefore B is a symmetric matrix here. What is the B here? B is A plus A dash. Therefore write here A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix here. I repeat once again, just observe here, they are very important here. So in a Karnataka PU board, they are June 2014 years. It is a 2 marks question here. Therefore take here this one as a B is equal to A plus A dash. Taking a transpose on both sides here, using this property, you can write A dash plus A dash of dash here, and using this property here, A dash of dash is A, and using this property you can write A plus A dash here. A dash plus A can be written as A plus A dash. Here both are same here. Hence we can write B dash is equal to B here. If this condition satisfied, B is said to be symmetric matrix, and here B is A plus A dash. Hence A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. This is the first result here. Okay. So now you prove A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix here. Okay. So second result, take this one as a C here. Let C is equal to A minus A dash. So taking a transpose on both sides, so C dash is equal to A minus A dash whole dash here. Taking transpose on both sides here. Then this implies here, so C dash is equal to, you can write here A dash minus of A dash of dash here. Okay, because you know A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus of B dash here. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash here. So using that result here. Then this implies here, so C dash is equal to A dash here. A dash of dash is only A here. Okay, because A dash of dash is here. Okay, using this property. Then this implies C dash equal to, take a minus common factor here. If you take a minus outside, negative term becomes a positive, positive term becomes a negative. Okay, minus is the common factor, minus becomes a plus, plus becomes a minus here. Here A minus A dash is what here? It is a C. Therefore this implies C dash is equal to C. A minus A dash is a C. Okay, so take result number 1 here. It is a from 1. So from 1 here, so this is a C. So if this condition satisfied here, if C dash is equal to minus C, then C is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. This is by definition here. Therefore C is a skew symmetric matrix. And so C is a skew symmetric. What is a C here? C is A minus A dash. So use here. Hence A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix here. Okay, consider this one as a C. Taking its transpose here. Use this property. Write here A dash minus A dash of dash. Use this property. Here this is a. Take a minus common factor. Then A minus A dash here. And A minus A dash is a C. So right here. So C dash equal to minus C. By definition C is a skew symmetric matrix. But C is what? A minus A dash. Hence A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So theorem number 2 here. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix here. Okay. Let us consider A is a square matrix here. Square matrix of order n. Okay. Then from previous theorem here, we already proved here. A plus A dash is a symmetric and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So therefore, we know that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix here. Okay. From the previous theorem here, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. If you multiply any constant to this matrix here, again it is a symmetric matrix only. Therefore, here just multiply this term by 1 upon 2 here. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. Here 1 by 2 is a constant here. If you multiply constant to this term here, again it is a symmetric only. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix here. And again multiply 1 by 2 here. 1 upon 2 into A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix here. Okay, here this is a symmetric. I multiply 1 by 2 constant here. Again it is a symmetric matrix only. Even here also multiply 1 by 2 here. Even this is also skew symmetric here. Then add it here. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 into bracket A minus A dash is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant here, right outside. 1 by 2 is a constant. A plus A dash and plus A minus A dash here. Here a minus plus a dash and a minus a dash cancels here. Then a plus a becomes a 2a. 1 by 2 into 2a. Then 2 this 2 cancels. This is equal to what here? A. So 1 upon 2 into a plus a dash is what? Just symmetric matrix. 1 by 2 into a minus a dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, any square matrix here. Here A is what here? A is a square matrix. So any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric. This is the theorem. Any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix.